Hey guys, Charles here and welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the DJI OM4. DJI OM4 is actually the magnetic successor to the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. This is how it looks like from the box, and of course this is a smartphone stabilizer. I've been one of the DJI fan since day one, and actually I like the product, the fact that it's very smooth. So let's get to open the box and we see how this actually looks like. Upon opening the box, you are welcome with writing from the DJI Create Magnetic Moments, and let's get to put this aside. And upon opening the box more, we do have the DJI OM4 itself right here. And of course, this is how it looked. Like I told you, this is a successor to DJI Osmo Mobile 3. And of course, based on other reviews that I've seen, I'm being told that this is way smaller than the Osmo Mobile 3, but that's what we're going to find out shortly. And then it also comes with the magnetic phone clamp, which is here. This is the magnetic phone clamp. This also comes with a storage pouch right here. There is the power cable, which should be inside also. It also comes with the grip tripod right here. I kind of like this. Of course, it's always branded DJI. It looks small and nice and strong. We have this. There is, of course, the magnetic ring holder, which we have it right here. And then we have the strap. And of course, it also comes with the user manual, which is also here. The DJI OM4 actually looks amazing, and I think if you are a creative or a filmmaker or someone who always focus more on mobile photography, mobile videography, I think this is amazing. This is actually the first impression and the first unboxing. I'm yet to test this and come back with a detailed video, but looking at the quick feature, when you see this, we do have the joystick itself for maneuvering with your gimbal. There is power button right here. Actually, in the power button, you might have seen that there is a sign M. You can as well use it to switch the mode. There is also the record button, which in most gimbal I've used, it's always painted or it's having the red mark in it. Then on the back right here, we do have the trigger button, and then there is this actually, which can serve the purpose of zooming and other stuff. We do also have the USB-C charging port right here, and then there is also another one here, another port which you can actually use the gimbal for charging your phone. So this is how it looks like, and I'm yet to do a detailed video about this, but thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and let me know your thought in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video.